Today on Designing Spaces. The grass is greener and a lot easier to cut when you're using a zero-turn mower from Ariens. A new cleaner, healthier way to get and keep that new car smell. Just chillin'. How to keep your house cool when the temperature heats up. And updating your home's lighting systems. Time to design.
Hey there, I'm Scott David. You're watching Designing Spaces. Today on the show, we've teamed up with a company that's revolutionizing the way that you can beautify and enhance your outdoor living spaces. We've got some really innovative machines that we're going to put to the test today, so let's get this episode started. Hey Dan, thanks so much for being here on the show. Dan is the CEO and chairman of Ariens Company, a fifth-generation family-owned outdoor power equipment manufacturer right here in America. Dan, that is pretty awesome. Tell us about the story.
Well, thanks, Scott. It's a pleasure to be here with you. We're 5 generations. My great-grandfather started the business in 1893, and then the Depression came along in 1933, and Henry didn't quit. He went to the family's garage, started the Ariens Company in his garage with a lathe and a couple of tools, and started making the first tiller in America. So it's an American-made family story, now 5 generations, and we're in the power equipment business. So you can see outdoor power equipment is zero-turn mowers, walk-behind lawnmowers, and we're known as the king of snow. Most people know us for the Ariens snow throw, which gets everybody out of a snowstorm at the perfect time of the year. But here, we're talking about our lawnmowers.
That's awesome. You don't hear about that a lot today. Talking about the lawnmowers, what do we have here today? We've got the Icon and the Razor, it looks like. Tell me a little bit about these.
Well, zero-turn mowers have taken over a lot of mowing in backyards over the last 10 years.
What exactly is a zero-turn mower?
Well, it's a different way to transport the machine, right? So the operator's in a seat just like on a tractor, but in this case with zero turn, each wheel is independently powered by the 2 sticks or the steering levers that we call them. It's much easier to use, it's quicker, and it is much more precise.
Why are these gaining such popularity?
The technology got better for us to bring the price down for homeowners, so now it's a very affordable mower. And then our Razor mower is a 21-inch mower. It's a traditional walk-behind lawnmower for a smaller property, or cleaning up after the zero turn has gone around all the trees and all the debris, and just cleaning up the area when you're finished with your riding mower.
So they can complement each other if I'm hearing you, or you may just need one or the other.
If you had an acre or less, you could do the whole yard with the 21-inch mower. When you get beyond an acre, you probably are better off riding. And a zero turn is going to take you about half the time that a traditional tractor would take to mow the grass.
All right, so we're here at Ian and Heather's house. They're going to be giving the Ariens machines a shot for the first time. What we're going to be doing today is making quick work of this property and showing the ease and efficiency of using solutions like this. Ian, thanks for having us at your house, man.
You're welcome. My name's Ian Fike, and we have 2 beautiful boys and 2 dogs, and this is my wife, Heather.
We moved here about 3 years ago. We're on about 1.5 acres.
The Icon features the 48-inch NV Elite Cutting System deck. The deck is designed for optimal airflow, ensuring it gets the debris out of the way so you get precision in every trim. But it's not just about cutting grass, it's about the ease of operation. The one-piece, fully welded tubular chassis provides stability. It has a high back seat, tall and wide with more back support, and on a taller base, plus molded armrests for extra comfort. Powered by a Kawasaki 21.5 horsepower, 726cc engine, it separates this zero turn from the rest. A standard deck lift assist that's foot operated helps lift the deck more easily. Well, Ian, it looks pretty good. What do you think, man?
The road's super smooth, is a lot faster than I expected, and man, this thing looks awesome in my yard.
Today we're not just mowing lawns, we're embracing a philosophy that resonates with everyone who understands the pride of home ownership.
We also have the new Ariens Razor here today. With a 3-in-1 system, you can mulch, bag, or disperse your clippings. The Razor is powered by a Briggs & Stratton engine. The trademark reflex speed control technology allows you to match your pace of the mower between 1 and 4 miles per hour. The Ariens Razor Reflex folds upright for compact, easy storage.
Ariens as a family company takes an awful lot of pride in what we build, and I know each and every one of our employees are part of the whole family environment we have. When we put a lawnmower in someone's garage and put it on their lawn, we're part of their experience. We're part of the pride that they take in their lawn.
To learn more about this amazing outdoor power equipment that we saw on the show today, you can check out ariens.com, or you can always visit us on designingspaces.tv.
That new car scent, there's just nothing like it. And outside of buying our house, a car is probably the most expensive thing that we own. And let's face it, we spend a lot of time in our cars, so that new car scent, it tends to fade away pretty easily. Well, today, we're gonna give you a way to surround yourself with transformative scents. We call it wellness on wheels, and scents can truly be uplifting. And to tell us all about it today is Ryan Bayless from Drift. Welcome to the show, Ryan.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So could you tell us a little inspiration behind Drift? How did you come up with this?
I bought a used car, and it had a little bit of a used car funk to it.
I was going to say, how'd that go for you?
And I wanted an air freshener that both looked great and smelled great, but there wasn't really anything out there. So we started Drift to kind of solve all of those things.
Well, Ryan, that is exactly why we are in my driveway with my car, because we are really driving the point home of how much the air freshener market has changed.
Yeah, so I mean, over the last 50 years, car fresheners just haven't changed.
Not even the look.
No, not the look, not the technology, and definitely not the clean ingredients.
Right.
So with Drift, we wanted something that both looked good, smelled with luxury fragrances, and then was good for us. So we built a new brand around those premises.
Absolutely, and you know what I like about yours too? Yours, they look clean, they look sleek, they look modern. Like looking at it, I would never know that it was an air freshener. And for me, personally, I've got 2 kids, I've got dogs, I know you have kids too. I mean, we know that new car scent, it's gone like almost immediately. But I refuse to use those air fresheners that have those harmful chemicals.
We wanted them to be as clean as we possibly could, so it has no phthalates, parabens. We've got a giant list of bad stuff that we don't have in our product.
I love the design. I feel like it's good for women and men, so it's unisex. So tell me a little bit about that. Like, what do you get?
Yeah, so we've got our wood freshener and our stone freshener. The wood's got that raw wood look that's soaked in our oils. Both of them have a magnet to snap up onto your visor to kind of stay out of the way, not use up a cup holder, not be hanging from the rearview mirror, and overall just hide itself except for the scent. We want to smell the scent.
Not distracting, yes.
The stone is a raw concrete look, very sleek, very modern. How it works is we are a subscription, so every 30 days you get a new one. So right as one starts to fade, a new one will show up at your door, and you can pick what scent you want. We have a scent of the month program, which is my personal favorite. You get a new scent every single month.
Oh, so it switches up?
Yeah, and it's seasonal. So around the holidays, we'll do a more holiday scent.
Love that.
In the summer, some summer-themed scents.
All right, well, should we go check it out in my car?
Let's go test drive it.
I want to see what it smells like. Okay, so I'm so excited. I see we have 4 different scents here, so you're gonna have to jump into that and explain that to me. But first, can you show me how to set this up in my car?
Yep, so grab the visor clip first. Okay. Make it so this edge pops out.
Okay,
so slide it up there.
So just right like this?
That's it.
Oh, easy enough.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Yep, so now it's ready to go. So now you can take either the wood or the stone freshener and it just snaps up on there magnetically. Let's do it with the stone.
Yeah, I'm gonna try the stone first. I'm gravitating towards that right now. Oh,
boom.
Like a magnetic pole, literally.
Yeah.
It's magic.
Magic. Magnets, how do they work?
Looking at this, I would never know that this is an air freshener. It's not distracting me. I mean, it's just so clean.
It's a great design in the car and blends in without, taking up any extra space.
Okay, so we have the stone option. Now let's see what the wood looks like.
Let's check
what
it out.
I like about these, I like that these mix and match with the neutrals in the car.
Yeah, and you can pick each one based on, if your car interior has a little more dark colors, maybe the stone works a little bit better, or if you like the wood look, go with the wood.
Okay, so what is the inspiration behind these scents? Like, I know the names are obviously all different, so how do you come up with these different scents and putting them together?
Yeah, so with Drift, we want to create like a sense of place. And so for each scent, we kind of go off of a different vibe or a different ingredient that we want to kind of go around. And so we've got Grove, Amber, Cabana, and Teak. Each one's just a little bit different. Grove's a lot more citrus. Amber is super, super fresh, very clean. Cabana smells like vacation. You got those coconut. Teak's a little more woodsy, a little more masculine.
I'm gonna do the Grove.
All right. Grove is very much, we're here in the great state of Florida. It smells like an orange field. Oh, it's great. I love the citrus side of this one.
Oh, that is very
good, right?
nice. I feel like this would be like a very universal one. I feel like people wouldn't go, you can't go wrong with this. It's almost like the lemon of Drift.
Yeah.
They're nice, they're homey, they're fresh, and they're not too overpowering.
We're stuck inside these tiny little boxes with these scents, so we want to make sure that they're, they smell great, but also that they're super, super clean.
Where can we get Drift?
Yeah, so all our fresheners and all our scents are available at drift.co. Plans start at $9.95.
Unbelievable. I love it. All right, now I know you value your life, but want to go for a test drive with me?
Only if I put my seatbelt on. Let's go.
You're gonna need it.
All right.
Today on Designing Spaces, I'm not just the host, I'm also the homeowner, and I teamed up with Parker Davis HVAC International to break down the top 5 reasons you should install a ductless mini split system in your space, and we'll show you how to get it done yourself. So I'm Scott David. I live here in South Florida in this home that we've been in for about 3 years. You know, one of the big things in Florida, as you know, is it's hot here. We have a pretty new HVAC system that was installed right around 2021 and overall does a pretty good job. But one of the things we really notice is in the summer, we're having a hard time cooling our bedroom, which is on the other side of the house. So we find ourselves cranking the air down really, really low to keep the house cool, and it's really wasting a lot of energy. So we've been doing some research, and we came across a company called Parker Davis and their brand of Pioneer ductless mini split systems. Been working with Aaron and the team over there, going through a couple of different options that are going to help us for our needs. I think we've nailed it down. Seems like a pretty simple solution that should be able to add a really easy cooling and heating option for that bedroom. And in the summer, I'm really thinking it's going to make a huge impact, not only comfort-wise, but also energy efficiency-wise. Now that we've decided on which ductless mini split system will work best for my bedroom, the Parker Davis team is on their way over to help get my unit set up. Hey Aaron, good to meet you.
Good, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good, glad you're here.
You excited to get some heating and cooling?
I sure am. I'm glad you're gonna help me out. I'm looking forward to getting it going. Come on in.
Let's get started.
All right, absolutely. All right, Aaron, this is the room I sent you the pictures of.
Okay, well those helped a lot, yeah. I think the unit we've chosen for you today is gonna be perfect.
Yeah.
This is our Diamante Ultra system, and it's our most premium looking unit, so it's gonna blend seamlessly with this decor here.
That's awesome. My wife will be happy about that.
I think you will be too.
Yeah.
It's heating and cooling year round, so you got the year-round comfort benefit.
I'm super excited about that. I know we've been talking about this. We have a relatively late model unit on this house, but especially in the hot months here in South Florida, we are struggling to get this room to a reasonable temperature.
That's one of the great benefits of ductless is you get that unique zone control. You can have this bedroom set to whatever temperature you like and the rest of the house kept at 70 or 75, however you like it.
Okay.
And speaking of savings, this is actually an Energy Star certified system, so you're going to be qualifying for the 30% tax credit when it comes time to file taxes.
Saving on both sides. Well, I'm glad that you guys are here to help me through this, but I can't wait to see it go in and get this cooling and going.
Same here, yeah. I've got my crew ready to install, but this is also a do-yourself system. So, you know, who knows, after today, you may even help your neighbor install
I'll
one.
put out a mailer and I'll be installing their ductless systems down the whole street.
That's a nice side hustle.
All right, well, let's get it going. I'm excited about
Let's
it.
do it. All right, Scott, so here's where we're at. We've got the wall hole drilled. We've got the bracket mounted on the wall, which you yourself actually helped out with.
Feel pretty good about that myself.
So next step is the guys are gonna mount the unit on the wall. The hot air is gonna go in through the top and then cool air out the bottom.
All right, so what are the next steps?
Inside part's all done now. Now we're gonna go outside and install the outside unit.
Okay, and then after that, we're pretty much ready to get my phone going.
Yeah, of course, I'm gonna show you how it all works.
Let's go for it.
Let's do it. All right, Scott, so we've got the outdoor unit all mounted up.
Yeah, looks good.
You opted for the wall mount, which I think is great for space saving underneath.
Yep.
And what's great about this kind of design is that you have the outside unit away from your bedroom. This is what does all the work in here. And so you're not gonna have any of that noise inside. The only moving part is a spinning blower wheel.
Okay.
And that's gonna have a very sound bedroom.
So this is actually doing all the cooling or heating and then transferring that inside to the unit over the bed.
Pretty much, exactly.
Gotcha,
And
okay.
what's left now is we just wire it up to the electrical, connect the pipes up, and then you should be good to go.
And what is the warranty on this?
This system actually carries one of our best warranties. You get up to 7 years for parts and
wow.
for 10 years on the compressor itself, which is the kind of heart of the system.
That's got a lot of peace of mind. While the Parker Davis team finishes up the outdoor installation, Aaron and I are heading back inside to install the app on my phone and get my bedroom nice and chilly.
All right, Scott, so we got everything all up and running.
It feels awesome. I can feel it right over here. It is icy cold. I'm super excited about it.
I love it. So this is gonna be your remote. This is the main point of control for the unit.
I did download the app, so I've got it ready to go. We're just gonna add this to it and then I control that anywhere in the world, correct?
That's correct.
Okay.
Let's get
so
started.
I got the icon right here. We're gonna press that.
Okay. Now we're gonna put the unit into pairing mode. All we do is press this button 6 times, the display button. Okay. Then you hear that confirmation beep, and then you go to add device here. Pick air conditioner.
Boom, we're connected. 70, 70, I see it.
There you go. Now,
This is super easy to use too as well.
let's change the temperature. Let's set it to 72.
There you go.
There you go.
I'm in business. You guys were awesome. I am really excited about this. Thank you for being here and for helping me out. And now I can sleep in a nice, icy cold room.
If you're happy, we're very happy.
Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure.
Are you looking for easy and affordable solutions to make your space more comfortable and enjoyable? Visit PioneerMiniSplit.com to browse a variety of products from Parker Davis HVAC International and schedule your installation today.
What parent hasn't wished for an extra pair of hands or a second set of eyes to help them with their daily household routines? As with many of modern life's little challenges, technology has an answer. And one technology that many families are embracing is smart lighting. Here to explain is Audrey Linnaeus, spokesperson for Deako, the go-to experts when considering smart lighting systems.
Today I'm meeting the Knight family. They have a passion for bright ideas and a love for DIY projects, and they're about to make the switch. Hey guys, welcome to the future of lighting. Welcome to Deako, where innovation, convenience, and fun come together. Let's talk about the ease of installing the Deako Smart Modular Lighting System. If you ever wanted to enjoy the convenience of smart lighting, but were a little intimidated about connecting it all together, well, Deako makes it effortless. That's right. With Deako, you can easily move these switches around anytime, anywhere. It's easier than changing a light bulb. Now let's talk about installation. You remember how it used to be. Scheduling the electrician just to add one new switch. After installing the Deako backplate into an existing junction box, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. No professional help needed. And Deako's always by your side with our easy-to-follow website instructions.
Good job. Thanks.
And it's about more than just convenience. It's about adding value to your home. With Deako, you can design your lighting to your lifestyle effortlessly. And let's not forget about security. You can schedule your lights to turn on and off automatically when you're not home. Burglars beware, Deako's got your back. And turning your home into a well-lit haven is as easy as, well, kids play. And we've saved the best for last. We call it future-proofing your lighting. As your family grows and your tastes evolve, simply add or rearrange Deako switches to accommodate your changing lifestyle. Ease meets innovation and fun meets functionality. Say goodbye to the old way of lighting your home and say hello to the future with Deako.
Deako, lighting the way to a brighter future. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.